Good afternoon, Parkland. Today is Thursday, December 8th. It is a day 6 in an A schedule. I'm Brooke Miller.
And I'm Julius. Welcome back to Parkland TV. Attention students and faculty. The left entrance of the lower B wing is closed for the rest of the week. Senior boys, do you have what it takes to be the next Mr. Parkland? Make sure to sign up in D133. Auditions are on December 12th, 13th, and the 14th.
The next regular practice for STEP team will be today in room D231. Please check the STEP Schoology page for updates from Mrs. First. Veg Club will be holding a meeting today in A130 where they will be cooking. Please use the Google form that will be posted on their Schoology page if you plan to attend so they can make sure to have enough food for everyone.
The Social Equity Club is collecting period products for the school bathrooms. Make sure to put your name and school ID on the donations to be entered into a raffle to win a $20 Target gift card. Parkland Psych Club will be holding a meeting in D109 at 3 after school. Come and join in the fun to get ready for the Parkland Sock Drive for the Allentown Rescue Mission. Parkland Productions will be meeting today in B118 after school.
The PHS Child Development Club would like to invite past members to join the new Schoology group using the access code at the bottom of the screen. If anyone would like to make a donation of toys, stockings, or items to be donated in their children's holiday stocking collection, please drop them off in room A134 or to Mrs. Pepe by Monday, December 12th. Stockings will be assembled at their meeting after school.
Ms. Morgan and Mr. Fasciano's American Studies 2 classes will be collecting non-perishable food items for the Parkland Reach Winter Food Drive. The food collection will take place on Tuesday, December 13th. Donations can be dropped off in boxes in participating teachers' classrooms or in the box near the main office in the rotunda. The food items needed include boxed or bagged rice, boxed or bagged pasta, pasta sauce, peanut butter, jelly, canned chicken or tuna, and canned fruit.
Attention SAD members, their next meeting is on Friday immediately after school in D133. They will be preparing for the Healthy Living Expo in tie-dyeing shirts. All members are encouraged to participate. If you have not paid your $5 club dues, please submit them at this time.
Excited for winter break? Celebrate by counting down with the 12 days until winter break spirit week. There will be a different theme for each school day leading up to winter break. Tomorrow is candy cane day, so make sure to wear your red and white. Do you know what else is tomorrow and every other Friday? Popcorn Friday. Make sure to bring $2 for some freshly popped popcorn tomorrow.
In sports news, tomorrow girls and boys basketball will take on Nazareth. Good luck, teams.
Make sure to follow our YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter at Parkland TV Film and check out the website parklandtvfilm.org for updates, broadcasts, and exclusive content. I'm Julius.
And I'm Brooke Miller. Have a great day, Parkland.